Today in our 2016 Ford F-150, we're going to be doing a test fit of the buyer's products over the cab truck bed ladder rack. I've already got it in place just to give you a good idea what it looks like. As you can see, it's going to allow us to carry those elongated items over our cab. So things like ladders, lumber, PVC, anything like that, it's going to work out nicely. I've got more than enough clearance between my cab and the underside of the bar, so we don't need to worry about anything coming in contact with it. Now my F-150 also has a 6.5 foot bed here, but it'll work out nicely with a 5.5 foot bed, 8 foot bed, any one of those. Now the whole thing is made out of a steel construction with a 1,000 pound weight capacity, so we've got more than enough to carry our gear. Also in each corner, I'd like to point out that we have a variety of tie-down loops to work with hooks, straps, rope, anything that we need to tie down our gear. And then on down here the upright, we've also got a welded on cleat to help us secure our gear. Now we've got 4 crossbars within the whole unit. The rear one is removable. The reason why this is if we are working in the back of our truck bed, rather than having to duck underneath the crossbar, we can take it out. You want to push out on the end to lift it out of position. There we go. Just like that. And like I said, rather than having to duck underneath, we can leave it out while we load up our truck bed. And then when we're ready to put our ladders or our long equipment up top, we can just simply replace it and put the pins back in place. Now you'll notice the large loop here at the end. This doubles as a handle for climbing up on the back of your truck bed. So you can see it's going to work out nicely for hoisting yourself up. That way you don't have to struggle with trying to cling onto the tailgate or anything like that. Now it installs pretty much just like any other ladder rack out there. We've got these J hooks that go underneath our side rails, come up through the hole here, and then they tighten down. Now with the platform here, you do have the option to permanently mount it to your truck bed side rails, but you will have to provide your own hardware. Those holes are also up top. Go ahead and take this out here so you can get a better picture. It's going to include all this hardware. There we go. Give you a better idea how it works. So like I said, it's going to connect underneath and tighten down and squeeze that all together. Flat washer, lock washer, and then the nut. Now a 3/4 inch or 19 millimeter will work out just fine to tighten this down. Again, all the hardware is included. This entire system is a no-drill installation. Once everything's secure, you can give it a good shake. And as you can see, we are shaking the entire truck bed or the entire truck. It's nice and secure. You can rest assured the ladder rack and your gear or anything else you're carrying will be just fine. Just as long as we strap it down, you'll be all set. But that's going to complete our test fit of the buyer's product over the cab truck bed ladder rack on our 2016 Ford F-150.